Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video on the GhCryptoGuy YouTube channel. We're expecting a lot of video content entering the end of 2022. Things have slowed down a little bit in the crypto space. I mean, we all thought we were going to the moon, but things happen. I'm going to do a separate video talking about my thoughts on the crypto market. That's something I haven't done before on this channel. I usually don't talk about like trading actively, but I'm going to change that because I have a lot of people asking for that kind of content. But today we are going to be talking about what you can do with your phone using crypto. So a lot of you in Ghana use your phones, right, to do all the payments that you have to do. So for instance, you use Momo or you use any of your bank apps to pay for everything you do and to do a lot of the simple things like buy credit or airtime, buy data, and whatnot. What if I told you that one cryptocurrency exchange has a feature that allows you to do all of this in a single cryptocurrency app? Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to introduce you to Binance Pay. So let's get into the video and learn about Binance Pay. Binance Pay. So Binance Pay is a feature inside the Binance app. It does a lot of things, right? So I'm going to start with the very basic part of it. If you hear Binance Pay, what comes to mind? It's very simple. You get to pay other Binance users and you get to receive money directly into your Binance app from other Binance users. So in the past, I have a friend called Kobna that I do a lot of crypto transactions with. He is a P2P crypto trader. So sometimes he comes to me and it's like, oh Elisha, I need stock. I'm going to pay you XYZ in CDs for XYZ amount in BTC. And every time we have to do this, he has to send me a long address, and then I have to enter the address and go through the process of sending the money to him using that long address. However, since I found Binance Pay, it has been extremely different. So it's either I know his Binance user ID or I know his Binance email, and I can send money to him and he can send money to me all on the Binance app. And it's really easy because it's extremely fast. It's faster than all the other like ways you can send money to another Binance account. Basically, it's Binance to Binance, so you can imagine how fast it is. Another thing too is that so far, I don't know if this is going to change in the future. No fees, zero fees when I'm moving money from one Binance account to another Binance account. So that's great because, I mean, looking at the current economy, no one wants to pay fees. Like, imagine, right? So, not paying fees is an amazing thing, and Binance Pay helps with that. So, that's just one thing, one single thing the app can do. The app can do so much more. Remember when I said you use your mobile phone for so many things? Well, imagine a situation where you want to buy airtime. You're using MTN, Vodafone, Airtel, Tigo, any of the telecommunication platforms in Ghana. You can buy airtime using the Binance Pay app, and it's extremely fast. You can also purchase travel tickets or plan your travel to wherever you're going. As December is coming, probably some of you want to go to Dubai or go to Europe and go enjoy the winter. You can do all of this, put together a traveling plan, make your payments using crypto on the Binance Pay app. And the reason why this is extremely important to me and the reason why I want to talk to you about it is because I think we are moving from a past where people are not, where people in the past were using their cryptocurrency applications as a place to save, and then every time they want to spend, they need to withdraw in order to spend. Currently, I think we are moving away from that and we are getting to the point where people are saving and spending in crypto, especially when a lot of people are holding stable coins these days. I mean, have you seen the Ghana CD? It's now what, one Ghana CD $1. Sorry, 10 Ghana CDs $1 at the time of recording. And my friend Ibrahim has been cracking a joke that probably we are going to reach 20 CDs $1 by December, right? But point is, we just don't keep money in CDs as much as we used to anymore, and it's actually easier for you to pay in dollars directly because you don't have to pay high fees. So what I'm going to do in this video now is I'm not going to just talk to you about it. I am going to show you how it works. So we are going to enter a part of the video where I show you a live recording of what it looks like to use Binance Pay. And I hope that helps you figure out how to use Binance Pay. So let's check that out. Okay, so this is why I show you how to use Binance Pay. Create feature on Binance. Check the top right corner of your app. Just by the notifications and click on it. It takes a while to load. And then you're going to have your Binance Pay interface. Voila. So Binance Pay lets you do so much. I've been playing around with it a lot lately. As you can see here, there are some hot deals. So I can buy gift cards or online cards on Binance Pay, which is great. So as you can see, there's PUBG, there's Fortnite for those of us that are gamers, and we have to consistently battle the dollar rates and the Ghana cedi rates when we are buying these things. Okay, so then there's also mobile top up. So you can go ahead and top up your mobile phone, enter your number, and go ahead and make your purchase, right? Then you can also do things like order right, which is really interesting. You should definitely try that out. You can even go ahead and book certain things that have to do with your next travel. So maybe I want to go to Paris for the upcoming blockchain week that is being sponsored by Binance. So I could definitely use Traveler inside the Binance Pay app to book. But one of the features that a lot of us would definitely use for sure is the ability for us to send money to Binance users or receive money from Binance users. It's an amazing feature that I think that people should definitely check out. So with this, your QR code is there. People can send you money by you just copying your Pay ID and sending it over to them, right? Then there's the send feature, which I've used a lot. So for example, as you can see, there's Kwabna here, who I've been sending a lot of money to. So I could easily click on Kwabna, and then I could see I'm sending him 0.2 USDT, and I could add a note, GhCryptoGuy. Okay, there we go. GhCryptoGuy, what's up? And I'm going to go ahead and continue, right? And then after that, I would go ahead and enter my mobile verification code, go ahead and enter my email verification code and enter my 2FA code and send the money to him. So it's very easy to use Binance Pay to send money, and it's very easy to use Binance Pay to buy a lot of other things. Do check out Binance Pay. So now that you know how to use Binance Pay, you should go check it out and use it. Let me know if you have any questions or any comments in the comment section below. Leave a like for this particular post. But if you don't have a Binance account and you're like, oh my gosh, how do I get this service? Well, it's really simple. Just go into the description, click on the link in there that helps you sign up for Binance. You're going to get 10% discount every time you trade on Binance after you have signed up using that link. And yeah, go ahead, explore the Binance ecosystem. I have so many videos about Binance on this particular platform. So subscribe and click the notification bell icon so you don't miss the next video on how to use Binance in Ghana. Have a good day. See you.